Hello, friend. Welcome back. My name's Veronica Van Dam, and today I'm going to show you how to do an egg aura cleanse. It's simple, easy, but quite effective. All you need is an egg and a glass of water. So, let's begin. You can use any egg you want. It could be white or brown. That doesn't matter as long as the energy of the egg is cleansed with vinegar and salt. And intention is the most important thing. Just set an intention. That's the main thing of this aura cleanse. I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to cleanse your aura with an egg. It's easy and simple. So all you have to do is cleanse your egg with vinegar or sea salt. Just make sure it's nice and clean so all the energies are off, okay? Then you start with your head. To the side, the other side, all your energy centers, your chakras, the throat, the heart, the solar plexus, sacral, root, your arms, hands, other side, to the back as much as you can, both sides. Get your legs as well, both of them. Feet. Set the intention that all the negative energy has been out and into this egg now. You're going to break this egg in a glass of water and let's see what happens. Make sure the yolk doesn't break, so be very gentle. Now you're going to put it in your water. And don't look in the water from above, from the side. See what it looks like. If it has bubbles or cobwebs or other things, that shows if you had stuff in your aura. It'll show you the evil eye if there's any. So this one looks like, it looks pretty good actually. But I'll give you the 4 things that can happen when you have evil attached to your aura. You might have to repeat the process again, okay? And so that's the fast and easy way to get rid of negative energy from your aura. If you see bubbles in your water, that means you definitely had negative energy that just got cleansed. If you see needles and spikes, that means someone around you has bad intentions. If you see cobwebs, that's a sign of evil eye. And I would recommend to do this cleanse 3 days in a row, and that would help. If the water smells bad or rotten, it means that you have negative entities in close proximity to you. And I would recommend repeating the cleanse one more time. and then do it once a week till it doesn't smell. Once you're done the cleanse and read your water, make sure you flush it down the toilet right away. Don't let it sit around. Right away, take it to the bathroom, flush it down the toilet. Okay? So that was the egg aura cleanse. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Until then, keep your aura clean.